Here we have the Atco Lawnmower 22 SHV. This is our premium 22-inch rear roller machine. This is powered by a very large Honda GCV 190cc overhead cam engine. It's a 4-stroke engine, so you just run it on unleaded fuel. So there's no primer, there's no choke adjustment, you just literally pull the handle, pull the cord, and away you go. This machine's also got a very smooth variable speed adjustment, as you can see here on the top of the handle. So when you've got really long runs that you want to do, you can speed the machine up. And when you've got slightly smaller, more intricate areas that you want to cut and be under more control, you can slow the speed down. As with many of our Atco machines, this one's feature packed. We have a hose lock connector, so you can put on your hose, turn on the tap, start up the machine, and you can spray water around underneath the deck, and it will help you maintain and keep the machine clean. Also, we have a very large 80-litre grass collector. To make it really easy for you to adjust the height of cut, we have this single lever on the side of the machine, and as you can see, it's very smooth and simple to use. It goes all the way down to 13mm and all the way up to 65mm over 8 different settings. A really good feature that we put onto our bigger, heavier mowers is this anti-vibration plate. As you can see, the engine slightly moves because it's dampened by rubber dampers on the chassis of the machine. The great benefit of this is that customers can use it for long periods of time, and it's much more comfortable, creating less vibration. We have the one motion click adjustment on the handles. This is really good because what we can do is we can adjust the handles, fold them all the way over the machine, and what we can also do is take off the grass bag, and with the carry handle at the front of the machine, we can lift the machine up onto its back end for easy maintenance. So because this machine cuts so low, down to 13mm, it's essential for us to fit this front anti-scalp plate. What this does is, when you're using the lower settings, it helps the machine glide over the lawn so that you don't scalp out and create bulb patches. You can also see that we have the fins in the front, and these fins let the air flow through the front of the machine, combined with the air that's pulled down through this new guard. As you can see, it's finned, so we pull air in from underneath the engine, and it forces more air through the chute, and it helps collect the clippings into the grass bag. We get 20% more clippings into that grass bag. As you can see, we have a slightly different blade. This is what we call a twin clip blade. It actually has 2 cutting surfaces on both sides. What it does is, it cuts the grass on the higher blade first, and then it recuts it on the lower blade, so we're getting smaller clippings. And again, with the increased airflow coming through, this helps to get that extra 20% of grass clippings into the grass bag. Because this is a premium machine, it uses our new hybrid technology chassis. So this is a very heavy duty, deep drawn, galvanised deck with a very pronounced J-lip for the rigidity around the sides. And as you can see, it's got plenty of depth in the deck so that we can create more airflow through to this massive chute. So this massive chute helps us to create more grass and get more grass into the bag without any assistance or any blocking. So the rear part of this chassis is actually made from a cast aluminium. This helps create more rigidity in the back of the machine, so combined with this very deep J-lip that we have going around the sides, it's a very strong, very rigid mower. We also have this rear roller. This is what's given us that great classical English striped lawn, and as you can see, it goes from edge to edge of the cutting deck. And I'll just point out while we're here, this is the cast aluminium gearbox that we have here with the variable speed pulley that we spoke about earlier.
For peace of mind, this Atco machine, subject to servicing, has 5 years manufacturer's warranty, which is supported by ServiceLink helpline and 600 approved ServiceLink dealers across the UK and Ireland. The ServiceLink dealers will support with any warranty needs and ongoing maintenance you may require.